All right, hi guys, bonus video for you all. My dot journal is now complete on both sides, fronts and backs of pages. So I'm going to do another flip through. I wanted to try to find a way that I could flip through for you. So I've put my easel up and a little board in the back so that it wouldn't fall through. And now we're just going to flip through. There's page 1. And see how that goes through. So you can see that dot through there. And then there's that one that you saw through the other side. And then I can flip over. And then there's this wiggles. And here's the dots on this side with atomic. I believe that's atomic. Yeah, atomic. And then when we flip over this way, then you have that goes through like that. And then you see the full atomic. And then this one is man, M-A-A-N. Look how pretty that one ends up. And then you see this one, which I did a mandala. And then when you flip over, we've got the rocks. And it goes kind of with the mandala on this side. And then flip that over. This is ways. And then this one, you see through there, see? And this is Dark Busters. And flip. And then there's Zenyatta with this one. And then there's this one. And this one is Ham 6. And then that one is Senda. And then this one is Pero, P-E-R-O. And then this one is Bales. This one is Snail. That one is Pamri. I called this one Raindrops. Kiko. Lancelot. And last one is Paradox. And that's my journal. It looks like this. Oops, let me take this down so you guys can see a little bit better. There's the tabs. I did a tab binding. And like I said, there we go. We're going to flip one more time in case you guys missed and you want to see it one more time. You can flip through. I think my favorite combination of dots of this one plus this one is this one. I think that one came out super cool. Really like that one. Although most of them I like. There's a couple that are not my favorites. Like that one, I got a little busy with it. But that's okay. It's okay. They don't all have to be winners. And like this one, I didn't line up these with the behind very well. But that's because I drew this first and then drew this page. Whereas on this side, I think I did better because I drew this first and then this page. So these could flow better than when I did this. So I learned some things. I really did. That one's so pretty. I really like that one. And then I made it into a flower. They're all good. Super fun. And then I ended with my very favorite And we're done. All right. Thank you, Jerri Bellini, for inspiring me to do this dot journal. This has kept me busy all summer. All stinking summer and into October. This is crazy. I really, really appreciate it. If you don't know Jerri and her channel, her link is in the description box below. Go check her out. She is a fabulous fiber artist. She's a fabulous mixed media artist. And she has relatively recently returned to YouTube. But her older mixed media stuff is where I originally found Jerri. And yeah, all her stuff is fun. So follow her over there, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for joining me for this bonus flip through, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.